Steel is essential in manufacturing, but not all steel is the same. Today, let's break down the differences between mild steel, IS2062 E250, and SAE 1018, so you can choose the right material for your next project. Mild steel, often called low-carbon steel, contains about 0.05 to 0.25% carbon. It's highly ductile, easy to weld, and cost-effective. With a tensile strength of around 400 to 550 megapascals, it's perfect for general construction, frames, and lightweight structures where extreme strength isn't required. IS2062 E250 is a structural steel grade defined by Indian standards. It features precise chemical control for better weldability and formability. With a tensile strength of 410 to 490 megapascals and a minimum yield strength of 250 megapascals, it's ideal for bridges, industrial structures, and heavy machinery. SAE 1018 is a low-carbon steel prized for its precision and machinability. Its balanced composition offers higher strength and toughness, with a yield strength of 370 megapascals. Often cold-drawn, it's used in automotive parts, gears, and applications demanding tight tolerances. For general construction, mild steel or IS2062 E250 are cost-effective, but IS2062 E250 provides better durability. For precision engineering, SAE 1018 stands out. At Steelmet Industries, we offer all three, ensuring you get the best fit for your needs.